What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. In this video, I'll do a little weld art, just for fun. Using some random leftover fasteners, I'll weld up this little running guy. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Now, let's get started. First, I laid out some hardware to get a rough plan. The plan was a figure made out of nuts and bolts, and some kind of action pose. From there, I just went with the flow and adjusted as needed. I'm not going to narrate this entire build. I'll get some music going for you and let it roll. I'll be back at the end to wrap up. Enjoy the build! So here it is, a little running guy made of nuts, bolts, washers, and a couple sockets. I'm not claiming that this is any kind of masterpiece. Far from it. I just made it because I felt like it. I just walked outside, turned on my welder, and enjoyed it. Hopefully this provided some entertainment, or maybe sparked an idea or a desire for you to build something. I had fun. I definitely plan to do more in the future. So that wraps up this video. Share your ideas and tips in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.